In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant blue loading screen bug on PlayStation 4 or 5. If you're facing an issue where Valorant gets stuck on the blue loading screen on your PlayStation, follow these steps to resolve the problem. Press the PlayStation button on your controller to return to the home screen. From the home screen, navigate back to the Valorant game without fully closing it. Press the PlayStation button on your controller again, and in the menu, locate the Activities tab related to Valorant. Within the Activities menu, select a specific Valorant activity that's stuck, and press the square button on your PS5 controller. This action should help you bypass the blue loading screen. If the issue persists, repeat steps 1 to 3 in most cases. This will resolve the problem on the second attempt. If you are still unable to enter competitive modes and can only play personalized games with friends, after following these steps, report the issue to the official Valorant support team for further assistance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.